Hello everyone, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao and today's question is, why is digital marketing important? The answer is, digital marketing is crucial in today's business landscape because it allows companies to reach a global audience in a cost-effective and measurable way. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing provides targeted advertising, ensuring that messages reach the right consumers based on their interests, behavior, and demographics. This precision enhances the efficiency of marketing campaigns and increases the likelihood of conversion. Furthermore, digital marketing offers unparalleled analytics, enabling business to track and measure their performance in real time. Companies can quickly see which strategies are working and which are not, allowing for agile adjustments and optimizations. This data-driven approach helps maximize return on investment and improves overall marketing effectiveness. Additionally, digital marketing facilitates direct interaction with customers through various channels such as social media, email, and websites. This engagement fosters stronger relationships and loyalty by allowing companies to respond to customer needs and feedback promptly. The rise of mobile devices has also made digital marketing essential as more consumers now use smartphones and tablets to browse and shop online. This shift necessitates that businesses adopt mobile-friendly marketing strategies to stay competitive. Overall, digital marketing is important because it drives growth, enhances customer engagement, and provides a competitive edge in an increasingly digital world. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button and share it with your friends. Also hit the subscribe button for our upcoming videos. See you in the next video.